Remember this one? So, you tell them to repeat, maybe just repeat it once again, like this.
Sollen die Schüler vielleicht nochmal den Nachrichtenzyklus wiederholen?
Like this. Now, first, when you do the single arm chisel, you should do it like that. He go punch, and then you go up. Now, this is what you did in the first single arm chisel sequence. Right? But now, you tell them they don't have to do this. They only go pump, okay, and then go back, and then they go pump, and then hit.
Ohne Fauststoß machen.
Okay? Or they can even do this. Go up, and then they can go back. Okay, so they also can learn the chisel with one hand.
Das ist diese Übung, die gerade hier
Okay.
gemacht hat, auch einarmig erstmal vielleicht üben sollten.
Okay? And when you do this one, it's easier for you to teach the people, okay, the correct position. Because when you do the Tsun it's 90 degrees. And it's about a fist distance. Okay? And now, when you do the Fuxao, it's just like that.
Der Fuchs
Okay.
sollte so aussehen.
Okay? Hands up.
Das ist der Chancellor dazu.
So when you do the Fuxao, it's like a spin around the tree. The idea is like, okay, the Fuxao idea is like a snake.
Die Idee ist dabei, dass sich der Arm wie eine Schlange um einen Ast rumwickelt.
Okay?
Das ist
So,
die Idee dahinter.
now, so you can see from here to here.
Dass der Arm so elastisch ist, dass er sich um den Stamm
Can you
rumwickelt.
see that?
Kannst du das sehen?
So this is why when you do the Fuxao, it should be like this.
Deswegen sollte der Ellbogen so weit drin sein.
When you do it this way,
Also nicht um den Arm rumschlängelt.
can you see that? The elbow should be in.
Der Ellbogen
So
drin
this is
sein.
why you use your elbow force to push out, and he uses his elbow force to push out and touch each other. Then both of you block each other.
Ihre Ellbogenkraft nach vorne drücken, so nach
Right?
vorne schieben.
Okay? Now this is important. So you can teach this. We call this the pre-double arm chisel movement. Pre-double arm chisel movement before. Period to double arm chisel movement.
Ja, und als Vorbereitungsübung für zwei Arme Kieser, dass die Leute
Okay.
das nochmal üben.
It's easier for you to introduce this idea to the students.
Das ist also relativ einfach, diese Idee den
Okay.
Schüler zu vermitteln, so als Vorübung, dass er weiß, worum es geht.
It was also a problem for the traditional Asian men, even before, for me, okay. Actually, I practiced this for nearly 2 years. I still could not have this elbow force.
Er hat also seit 2 Jahre etwa gemacht, ohne den Ellbogen rein.
Because